and I'm going to search, for example, Canada or US. Now you can see that we have all the countries that have US inside it, right? And then I hide, and everything goes back to the whatever the default was. Okay, so on our main view, everything is set. There is nothing else we need to do. Our next step would be creating a separate view that will show our country detail view. Now this is depending on two things. If there are no province, republics, or states, or whatever each country may have, we're going to show the data. If there is, we're going to show another list, and only after choosing a specific state or republic or state, and then we are going to show the data of that specific area of the country. So that we are going to put here once we get that working. So now we need to create that view, and it's going to be called our country detail view. I'm going to select these main views, and create a folder and put them there, and Command N SwiftUI view, and call this country detail view. Right, so our country detail view will be let me show you the ready one. This will be our country detail view. So whenever we don't have any provinces or states, we're going to show this. But if we have, we will show the list again, and then only then transition to this. So let's see what our country detail view needs. We're going to pass our the report here, that actually if we open our model, the report would have our region report, would have all the data about the cases, current cases, and then it would have a region details, which will be the name of the country and the province that we would be using here on top, because it's only the country. Like Albania doesn't have any provinces in our API. If I was in US, for example, I would see here, let's say Arizona, I would see US and then the name of the state underneath. Same goes in this case for the Russia. You will have like Russia and then Altai Republic. Okay, so this is why we need the name of the country and the province. And if there is no province, it's just an empty string. So if we go to country detail view, I'm going to close the side panel here. Actually, let's create the view model as well. So it's going to be a Swift file, call this country detail view model. Right, so let's set up our view model, and then we will do the user interface. So I'm going to with final class country detail view model, and this confirms to observed object protocol.